What's up, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So today we're going to run up to a little side street that I found, and we're going to do a couple test hits. The other day I did a little dig pull. I just kind of floored it, and the truck actually sputtered a little bit. It kind of had some break up to it when we took off from a dead stop. And guys, I really haven't had much time to really mess with the truck lately, and that was really the first time that we have really hammered the gas pedal from a stop. And like I said, when we did, it kind of sputtered and it had some breakup. I got with Jay, and he's saying that most likely it might be a little too rich on the initial takeoff, so he wants me to record some logs on my Diablo Trinity tuner, and then videotape the wideband gauge so he can see it when we take off. So most likely it's going to be a rich problem is what it sounds like. We'll see what happens. So we're going to go to the spot, we're going to do some hits and get some logs for him and see what's up. So let's get to it. Hell yeah, guys. Ooh, we better get the hell out of Dodge, literally. This thing is loud as shit. But hell yeah, guys, we got some good data. Got some good video shots for Jay. Got some logs on the tuner. So I'm going to send this stuff over to his email and let him work his magic and see if we can get this thing figured out. I'm sure it might take a couple more times, but we're going to get this thing launching nice and clean, like smooth butter off the line. So hell yeah, guys. Also, there's been some of you guys asking me if I've been okay. I know I haven't posted a lot of content this past week, and honestly guys, it's just due to I've been super busy. My work really picks up this time of the year, and spring and summer is my busy season, so I get real busy this time of year. Plus with the virus going down right now, there's literally nothing out there to do. No car shows, no racing. It's just absolutely sucks. So getting content, you know, for you guys that's worth watching, It's just hard to get it right now, guys. I do have something hopefully planned this Saturday. There's a drag strip down in South Georgia that is doing a private event, and they're doing very, very limited cars, like 20 cars, and I am going to go to that as long as weather and everything's good. So we may finally Saturday hopefully get some video and some content of Frostbite going down the drag strip with all the new goodies on it, and get some real data for Jay so that we can, you know, really tweak the thing based on the quarter-mile passes. So other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.